Right, with 4th of July around the corner, we got our little lights. We're going to set them up into our gazebo. So we're going to wrap these up. You can use them for any event. These come with 3 different colors, red, white, and blue. And they stretch out pretty long. They're over 100 LED light, F5 LED minis, all right? Let's set them up and see how they work. All right, check out the 4th of July lights, LED lights. Beautiful when you set them up on your gazebo like I do, because we're gonna have barbecue. We're gonna have extra lighting in here. Now these don't produce too much heat. They're perfect. They're small. If you guys can see how petite they are, you can't even see them. Beautiful colors, like I said, 3 different colors, blue, red, and white. And you have them here. They're gonna light up the place anywhere you put them in here. But because 4th of July is coming over and we're having some guests coming and we're going to be barbecuing, we want to make sure we decorate ourselves for this event. So you are going to need power, but that's about it. And it comes with an extension, so you could extend it even longer. And at the end, there's another connection, so you could add some more lights. So you guys can see, they look beautiful at night. And from far, you can see them. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I hope you guys enjoy your holidays this summer.